Good morning. It's lunchtime. This is Akple, delicious Ghanaian food, you know. Yesterday, Ghana lost, but guess what? We're still eating. Well, I have raw pepper and smoked fish. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to add a bit of some sauce to this delicious looking chilies. But you know what? I've already washed my hand, but before we eat Ghana food, you have to make sure you wash your hand. Wash your hand. A lot of people don't wash their hand with soap, but they do after eating. Well, here is my Akple. Let me burn the camera. You can see exactly what I'm doing. Well, bon appetit. It's lunchtime. Midum. This food, this Ghana food, is delicious as ever. Do you know anyone from Ghana? The weather is cold. It's very, very cold. So guess what? This Akple will keep me warm all day. Where are you watching from? Please, can you share where you're watching from? I would love to know. I also have Akpa kalami, tilapia, baby tilapia. This Akple is made with cassava dough and kondo. The process is a little bit lengthy, but you know, once you finish, the eating is just so much delicious. Do you know anyone that eats this food? Please do let me know in the comment section. I really want to know. Because this food is so delicious, guys.